well, this is the first time I use Scoopit. I think it's a great application that we can post a lot of things like links and web addresses. And the idea for this program is that you can get more information and show information to other people. And this application also is connected with Twitter, which is important as well. So this is my profile. These are my comments on Scoopit. Yeah, I have 10 Scoopits over here, and you can see my Twitter as well. Twitter. In the Twitter, you can see here my 10 comments about the Scoopits I did. So this is it.